Okay, chalo, we are done. We are packed. We are moving from here. Bye bye, beautiful place. Bye bye, Maldives. Nice. Bye bye, bolo. Bye bye. We are leaving. We'll again come tomorrow. Sorry, tomorrow. We'll come again after some years.
Wait.
Chalo, Pooja is also ready.
I'm
All,
sad we're leaving.
yes, luggage, everything is packed. Only thing is, literally time is 6:45 a.m. One last view. Tata, bye bye. See you after a few years. Not Abhi, obviously. So let's move. We'll literally miss that view, and as soon as you open this particular view, the amazing next level view. Our cart is already ready. Let's put the luggage out and get out. Hold this door.
Wait, baby, wait, my show.
Are you happy? Are you sad that you're leaving? Trip was very small, no? Too short.
It seemed like 2 days.
It was actually 4 nights, 5 days, but still it feels very short. Which means we enjoyed a lot. If you don't enjoy, then you feel it's very long. Oh, sudden.
What do you think it'll take us?
Our luggage, please come back.
देख के पीछे देख के.
Papa.
What?
Done with the room.
We are done with the room. You don't want to go? Okay, we got our reports.
You have to quarantine yourself.
It's very fast, yeah. 6:45. We got our reports. Still tear it.
Keep it in your bag.
We're all negative. We're all negative. We're all negative. We're all
What did
negative.
you think we were pouring?
Yay! Good to go back home. This is the first time we can say our boat is ready, not our cab is ready. Our boat is ready to go to the airport. That's the only way of transport from these islands to the airport. Oh, outro. Intro in that. You got the outro as well. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Here is the Maldives International Airport. First leg of the journey done. Nice to step for 1 second 45 minutes.
Yeah, she slept on my lap all along.
3 more legs to go.
Oh man, gonna be
Exactly
tiring.
3 more legs to go.
Gonna be very tiring day.
Flight from Maldives to Bangalore, then Bangalore to Hyderabad, then Hyderabad to home. This is the naughtiest kid we have seen. Heights of naughtiness. Nice, look here. Look here, Johnny bolo. Yes, Papa. No, Papa.
No, Papa.
No. Ha ha. Really
That's
cool.
her version of Johnny.
Meanwhile, we are waiting for our boarding. Time is around, just 11:30. Our boarding starts at, I think, 12 o'clock. A lot of rush in the Maldives airport.
Papa.
Yes. Isko dekh acting. Okay, I'll give you bandage.
एक आंसू नहीं है तुम्हारे.
Sure. Where? Here. Okay. Okay.
Shoulders, knees and toes, heads, shoulders, knees and toes. Not knees, not nose. Head, shoulders, knees.
But yeah, full on entertainment channel for us. Some.
Oh baby, you would come
क्या language है? What language है? Ramsam कर रही हो? You doing Ramsam, your version.
Attention please, Washington passengers joining on Aeroflot.
See you guys in the flight in 3, 2, 1. your belt. Wear your belt. Not there. Here. Here. Very good, Naishu. You did it. You know how to put. To remove it. Either lift karo. This one.
ऊपर करो.
और ऊपर करो.
Press. आ गया.
Wow.
Close.
Now Naishu can fly alone.
Naishu close.
We are in the second leg of the journey. Maldives to Bengaluru. Exactly 2 hours. Naishu found a friend.
Yes.
Oi, Putty. Entertainment?
Naishu found a friend.
Wait.
Good. Do the time pass and leave us alone for some time. Bangalore. I thought it's only 3 hours 40 minutes or something of a layover, but no. It seems we have almost 5 hours of a layover. Seriously, I don't know what to do for 5 hours. What are we gonna do? We need to go take our luggage. Again, check in that luggage for Bangalore to Hyderabad flight. I don't understand why they couldn't do it from Maldives to Hyderabad directly. Now the time is 3:30, 5 hours, which is almost 7:30 or 8 o'clock a flight. We are using the baby care here. Nice, so it's not done yet, you know that? We still have another 5 hours to kill. After that, 1 more hour of flight, and after that, 1 more hour of car. No. Luckily, only 40 minutes of car. Okay? The most notorious, the most naughtiest kid I've ever seen.
Rub your hands. ऐसे करो. Rub किया?
Yeah, all the time we are running around Naisha only, all the 4 of us, especially Pooja and me. Thanks, Naisha, for not letting us. Hey!
Naishu, don't do all this, Naisha.
Whose bottle is that?
God knows.
Okay, we are here at the lounge having some last buffet, some hummus, pita bread, quesadillas, and a cupcake. These people are having Indian food
Mixed up.
because we are back to India.
No. They have
Malama is having white rice.
Just to add some spice.
Add some spice to life, huh?
Naisha is having pasta. She had banana.
Naisha is not having food, she is having us from morning.
Don't say anything.
Sit and put. And put come. See? Last leg, final. Not last leg actually. There are 2 more legs. This is last but one. Final flight but Bangalore to Hyderabad. And then from there we take the car and go back home. Are we hungry? No, lounge mein full on we had.
We had lunch or
We had lunch, brunch, supper, vipper, every damn thing except dinner. Dinner thing is now we'll be fine, but once we go home, maybe we'll be hungry late in the night. If Naisha sleeps, she's done for the day. We gave her too much of stress today. Once again, 3 things: sea, land, and air in one day. That too 2 flights. Reached finally Hyderabad. 3rd leg also done. Last 4th leg is left. Only thing is we arrived in the domestic. We'll have to walk till the international parking, which is, it seems, half a kilometer away. I don't understand. He put it, sir, how much cardio I need to do, and she's already irritated. Okay, come walk. There is our car. Let's put all this luggage and we are back. Hold it.
I'm there. Don't worry. Stand better.
And we are here literally doing 4 modes of transport, starting with the boat, flight, then bus, then finally car. Happy to see my car. Only thing is, I don't know where is the key.
You put it in
I need to check where is it. But doesn't matter, we have NFC, so get the back close and yes, it detected. Fancy stuff. Today unknowingly I burnt at least 1,000 calories without workout. So let's get out. Welcome to Hyderabad.
feels.
Oh yes, definitely the car needs a lot of dusting, polishing,
I just
washing.
hope now she doesn't throw up. Puri trip mein she was amazing. She was great.
Oh yes, full on from morning.
Aisha, let
All
us-
modes of
I'll
transport.
give her a Saachui. Wait.
All modes of transport. She was perfect. Did not puke. Don't ruin my car. You
Maybe
kept
she's
the
saving it for now.
you kept the boat clean. You kept the electric cart clean.
Wait, I
You
give
kept
her-
the flights clean.
I'll give
Please
her-
keep my Seltos also clean.
I'll give
Okay.
her Saachui, Shukru.
But thanks, Naishu. You were such a amazing kid.
As always. Of
Yeah.
course, she got irritated, but like all kids do. But then I think she's still patient. A lot
And
better
so
than the
much
other
of
kids.
irritation I got personally. So irritated.
My baby.
Taking 2 flights and all that. 1 flight is only very irritating. Imagine 2 flights and she's dead sleepy.
2 flights is still fine. Imagine layovers for 4-5
Yeah,
hours. Oh my
4,
god.
5, 9. Exactly 5 hours, 10 minutes. Oh, yes, that's our chewies. The, what is it? Icebreakers. They're helping.
We don't know. We think they're helping. God knows.
Chalo, car starts perfectly. I mean, it should start, but let's go home and what's for dinner?
Hurry, I just came with you. You're asking me what's for dinner.
And last, I think from tomorrow we're gonna get back to diet and workouts and all that. बहुत हो गया खाना, बहुत हो गया cheating, बहुत हो गया sweets, dessert,
तूने
बहुत हो
ज़्यादा
गया
cheating
vacation,
किया।
बहुत हो गया vacation.
Aisha
Let's
and I
get...
were normal. You were only the only one cheating.
Oh yes, I agree.
We don't need so
It's
much.
okay. I work hard throughout the year. So let's get out. She's confused. Where are we? Where are we? She was full on sleeping. Good thing. Thank you, Naishu. You did not puke. My car is clean. We just need to clean the exterior now. Only to do interior cleaning. Thank you so much. Oh, my beautiful Hyderabad. Doesn't matter wherever we go, how much ever we travel, how much ever I travel, I have to come back to Hyderabad. This is home. And what are these fancy lights, dude? Also, a lot of people keep asking me how much does it cost to park your car in the airport for 3 to 4 days. It is exactly around 300 rupees per day. For this particular trip, it costed me 1500 rupees for 5 days of parking. But still, I think it is kind of fine because if we have to take a cab is going to cost me around 1000 rupees. Coming back another 1000 rupees. A car mein, though it costs almost the same thing and then you put fuel. But more than all of this, it is the comfort. The moment you get down, you have your car ready, just go to the parking, pick your car and get out. And also while going from here, pretty easy to take your car and leave it at the airport. Hit that subscribe button. Take care. Bye bye.